Hi everyone, my name is Monique and I'm the head of community here at Self. Now, if you haven't heard about Self, let me tell you a little bit about us. We're on a mission to help people build credit, including those that are new to credit or those that don't have access to traditional credit products like an unsecured credit card or a personal loan. Look, building credit is hard, but Self is here to give you the credit building tools that you need to help you create financial healthy habits and sticking by your side along the way. If you're looking to build your credit from scratch or you're in the rebuilding phase, the secured Self Visa credit card might be for you, so keep watching. Having a strong credit score is important because it gives people the ability to purchase things that they want now with the promise of paying it back later. Your credit score could help you obtain those big ticket items like a house or a car, or even everyday necessities like utilities and insurance. A secured credit card is a type of credit card that requires a security deposit. Now, this security deposit will serve as collateral to your account, and it reduces the risk to the company that's issuing the credit card. To open a secured credit card account, you will pay your deposit, and the deposit is usually a couple $100s. Your starting limit to your secured credit card is usually equal to the deposit that you put down. So in addition to our credit builder account, we also offer a secured credit card, the Self Visa credit card, which is another tool to help you build credit. The Self Visa credit card works similar to a typical credit card, except it is secured. So you will have to put a deposit down to open the account and set your limit. A great thing about the Self Visa credit card is the low minimum security deposit. So you only need $100 to open the account. But if you want a higher credit limit, you can have one. When you apply for the Self Visa credit card, you can choose your security deposit, which means you're also choosing your credit limit. The other big difference about this card and other credit cards is that there's no credit check required when you're opening a Self Visa credit card. This card is all about building and not bringing it down. A hard credit check is one of the factors that can negatively impact your credit when you're applying for a new line of credit, which can be a really big bummer, especially if you're just trying to get a new credit card. Finally, to help you build credit, the Self Visa credit card has guidance, alerts, and tips built in. So if you have a payment coming up, or maybe your credit utilization needs some TLC, we will reach out and let you know. This may help you keep up with your on-time payments, which is not only good for helping you build credit, but this healthy financial habit can also apply to any future credit cards you may open. Apply today. All it takes is a straightforward application, and you can have your Self card on the way. Remember, there's no credit check required. You don't have to worry about rejection. The approval rate is high. And I think the application is kind of the fun part because you get to set your credit limit with your security deposit. Speaking of, if you don't have $100 today, there's another path that you can take to get the Self card. Open a credit builder account and start building your savings and your credit with a monthly commitment that you get to choose. If you choose the $25 or the $35 per month plan, you'll have enough set aside for the Self card security deposit in just a few months, and there's no credit check required for that either. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more information about our secured credit card, you can go to self.inc. Bye!